Hey Cassie! We're having a spam party for your wall right now. Here, we're making a video for Cassie. This is Pablo. This is Phil. This is Paul. That's Eben over there. He's teleport spamming you. This is Rogelio, Katie, Julian, Garrett. She's not spamming you. She's just reading. We got Michael in here spamming you from. He's not partying with
Hi,
us
Cassie.
though.
It's a pleasure to actually meet you. Seeing as I'm the stranger that. Yeah.
Hates her? You a hater?
I don't hate
I don't
you.
hate her either. I only did this because Garrett made me.
I think you're a good sport.
I think you're awesome. I told Garrett I really want to be your friend in real life because I would be crying right now if
You're
this
a
happened to
good
me.
sport.
So we getting down, we jamming. Garrett whips his hair back and forth.
Yeah.
I posted that. No way.
Okay, so
I gave it my laundry to spam.
you're the best.